Welcome back to MarineMax Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves, and today we'll be walking through this Tige RZX22. This is a 2024 model, so you will have all the upgrades for the 24-year model with all of the same great features that Tige has to offer. Here in the bow, you will have the RZX, which is the pickle fork, so you will have a nice bed style. It's going to be full width of the boat, give you great grab handles and stereo with some cup holders in the bow. As we move in, you'll notice that we do have the 4 tower speakers by Audison, as well as the new power tower. So new for 2023, they have come out with a solid shade tower. What this tower does with control right back here, it will lower completely flat, and with undoing this like it is, the whole tower will lay flat. This allows you not to have to mess with the bimini. You just lower it to get on the dock if you have a lift or under some low clearance bridges. Here at the bow, you will have a lot of the same appliances that we love on Tiges. We do have the horizontal screen, which will allow you some better visibility out the bow of the boat. Underneath, we do have the steering wheel controls. You have your in-charge phone holder, as well as a nice bolster. We will have sky hook board racks. You just pull them out with the little press of the button here, adjust them to how you want. They'll swivel out or come into the boat. And here in the cockpit, we do have the deep storage. We will have in-charge phone holder, heater vent system, and then pop-up seat backs. When this surf seat is around you as well, we'll have 5 people wide, all facing the back, watching your surf and all of your wake activities. We'd love to show you this boat, how it surfs, and all of that in person. So give us a call today to set up your appointment.